Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 8th to 12th September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see in GBP USD, we can see a positive move of 0.51% and a closing of 1.35013. So currently we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first. So here let's open our weekly chart, and we can see in the weekly chart a bullish candle with a small body and a big lower wick with a medium upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI, it's around 35-36. That indicates us a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. As we can see, there are some important support zone and resistance zone that we have already marked. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis so that you don't miss any videos. So currently the levels are already marked. We don't need to mark any levels. We have already marked the levels during our previous week analysis. So let's now straight talk about the closing. So 1.35013 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.34667. Here the direct resistance is 1.35069. After direct support, there is a support of 1.34312 and then 1.33805. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.35390 and then 1.35663. These are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and your target levels for this week. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared 20% discount coupon code that will help you to get 20% discount on any challenges. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive closing that is around 1.35069 to 1.35390. Also, if you are looking for any short trade, then only look for a short trade when 1.34667 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this. Then we can go for a short trade till 1.35312. If 1.34312 also gets breached, then we can see a fall till 1.33805. Remember this levels. These are some important levels that will help you to take better trades. Currently my expectation is positive for this week, and we can see a good amount of events in this week, so be careful during this period. So what are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.